In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bisect hosting server not working. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and the first thing you want to do is you want to check the notification area in your Bisect hosting server panel. Now, sometimes they do schedule network maintenance. In our example, they're currently doing maintenance, so right now it is February 19th, and they're doing some work right over here. So what could be happening is that Bisect hosting is doing some maintenance, and you're usually able to tell because of the notification in the server panel right over here. But if you don't see a notification like that and things still aren't working, then what you need to do is you need to make sure that you actually do start your server, because when you try to join it and the server is not actually started, that is not going to work. So before you actually join the server, make sure to go ahead and select over here where it says start and then try again and see if that gets the job done. Now, also, you need to make sure that you do have the correct IP address. If you don't have the correct IP address, it's not going to work. So make sure to do that. And also, this may sound a little bit silly, but this is an issue that I know a lot of people have come up with. Make sure that you are actually on the right version of Minecraft. So if it's a server for Minecraft Java Edition, make sure you're on the correct version of Java. If it's on Bedrock, make sure that you do join it on Bedrock Edition. And this goes without saying that you want to make sure that you have a good internet connection. Obviously, you want to make sure that your internet connection is stable so that you're able to join servers. But if you have all that down and you're still running into issues, I recommend contacting Bisect Hosting Support. They are going to help you out, and sometimes they might even give you a refund if you're not happy with the service. So you can go ahead and select over here where it says help, and then you will be able to go ahead and actually talk to a Bisect hosting representative. You will need to go ahead and select on the game. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.